Good morning, good morning. I got something special for you guys today. I want to give you an inside of something we're doing at Savage Tattoo at our shop. But first I have a question for you. How many of you guys feel like around this time of year, November, December, towards Black Friday, towards Christmas, it gets a little bit slower, actually a lot of bit slower? So the big question is this: how are passionate tattooers like us, who know there's more to tattooing than just doing good artwork, how do we get ourselves out there and fill our books with clients that want our style and pay us what we're worth so that we can take care of our families and get out of our own ways and get ahead? That is the question, and this channel will give you the answers. What time is it? Game time! That's right. I've heard a lot of artists talk about how November and December, it slows down before tax season. So let's talk about that. This is a marketing technique that is all over the place, okay? It's basically the theory of zigging while other people are zagging. So what I mean by that is, think about all the people that are giving out Black Friday specials and gift cards where you get an extra 50 bucks off when you pay for a $200 gift card or something along those lines. Okay, that's the normal, right? That's what every tattoo shop is usually doing around this year. Why are they doing it? I'd like to believe that a lot of artists just follow what the last person has done. They don't really know how to do something outside of what's already been done. That's where I'm here to share it with you. So how do you zag while people are zigging, and why should you? So one thing to understand is the best way to improve your business is to stand out, okay? I don't know how you guys heard about me, but I am definitely not like your average tattoo artist, okay? I think differently, I speak my mind, and I definitely run my business a little different. So how do we zig while other people are zagging, and why should we? Well, here's how I look at it. So you can try all you want to swim upriver, but that is just going to tire you out. So what I mean by that is, right now, people, where are they spending their money? Okay, people are spending their money on gifts, or they're saving it for gifts and Black Friday and towards the end of the year, maybe towards taxes, stuff like that. People are saving up money. They're not spending money right now. So we can swim up the river and try to fight and try to get them to give us money. But that's what most tattoo artists are doing by giving discounts. And discounts hurt your brand, okay? There's a reason why you'll never see a discount on a Ferrari. Ever, ever, ever. So that's what you, and you guys put so much into your art and skills. We all do. We all know that it takes a lot to execute a good fucking tattoo on somebody. So our work, all the determination, all that hard work that we put in should be paid, you know. We should be treated like a Ferrari, not like a Ford. I don't know about you, but that's how I feel, and I know that's how a lot of you guys feel. So zigging while people are zagging. So another concept I want to bring into this before I finish off with this story and how you can do this is, think about this, okay? Most people, when you ask them what is currency, okay, what are they going to answer? Comment below. When you think of currency, what do you think of? Okay, most people think about money, all right, the little paper. Well, this might be a mind opener for some of you guys, all right? There's more than one currency. And let me tell you what I'm talking about. Currency is money. Currency is time. Currency is focus. And when you look at it that way, you can definitely thrive in here. See, when most businesses, when they go through a time like this, a slow season, there's certain businesses that really tank, they go downhill. And there's certain businesses that go uphill. So what are the ones that are going uphill doing differently than the ones that are going downhill? They're zigging while the others are zagging, okay? They're doing something different than the norm. And when you understand that you can't really pull money out of people when they don't want to spend it around this time of year, you'll stop trying to swim uphill. You'll stop trying to get their money, and you'll get a different type of currency, okay? And what I'm talking about for my shop is Oh man, it's great. This is the first year we've done this in particular, but we always do something differently towards Christmas. So rather than giving gift cards out, what we do is just give free tattoos out. Because once a tattoo shop gives free tattoos out, they no longer give a shit about those gift cards where they get an extra $50 for spending $200. Why? Because they don't have to spend anything to get a free tattoo. So what are we doing? We're giving away a $200 gift card every single day until Christmas. All right? And this is creating a wildfire on our tattoo shop page, on the shop page, Savage Tattoo Ogden. If you want to check it out after, I'll drop a little comment right here so you can go check out our shop page. But it is spreading like wildfire. But here's the thing. Why would we give out $200 gift cards every single day? That's not making us money, right? See, and this is where you got to keep in mind those other currencies, okay? How much time and focus and attention do you think all these people are giving our accounts right now? Because we're giving these $200 gift cards. They're not looking at any other shops. Matter of fact, if I go look at our story and we look at like the 2,000 people that are seeing every single one of our stories, every 15-second video, I find that almost every single tattoo shop owner, let alone tattoo artist in my state, is watching what we're doing. But they're still not following. They're not doing what we're doing. They're still doing the gift cards. So while they're zigging and doing what everybody already knows comes towards the year, because let's be real, all tattoo clients know that most people are going to give gift cards out at the end of the year. So it's nothing special. It's nothing new. People want something fresh. They want something new. How many times do you want to eat that grilled cheese and tomato soup every day? Come on, man. Sometimes you want a steak. Sometimes you want something different. You get what I'm saying? So rather than doing the same shit, focus on a different type of currency. This time of year, rather than getting the money, get the attention. Get people watching you. Get people watching your profile. Because guess what? You build all this momentum right now as far as attention, new eyes on your stuff. And then what happens after December? Tax season, baby. So guess what? You've probably heard that simple quote. What follows attention? Money follows attention. Because attention is money. Attention, it's a different type of currency. And as long as you use it right, you're going to thrive in these type of things. See, every year we don't go downhill. We might not make as much money as far as monetary money, paper, during November and December, but we skyrocket our attention. We get hundreds, if not thousands, of followers because of our Instagram marketing service and because we post the right content. I've dropped a social media course for $27 for some of you guys. If you haven't got it, it's in the link in my profile. That's a good start, okay? There's 2 steps to why we offer that course, because it's not to make money. That's why we're offering it for $27. We offer it for $27 because it's going to show the people who are willing to invest from the people who can't even count $27 in the couch. All right, that's the main thing. Then we offer you more expensive services based on the results you want and the better stuff. So, but let me explain why we did that. So the social media course will teach you exactly what to post to stand out, to zag while people zig, right? And then after that, once you get the course, we offer you an additional service that costs $147 a month. And the reason why is because that service literally targets your competitors in your area on Instagram and steals their followers and brings them to you, okay? Super complicated process, but that's as simple as I can explain it. And that's why both the social course and our Instagram service work really well together. Now mix that with the super offer, like what I'm talking about, okay? We're gonna talk about, we're gonna talk in business terms because most tattoo artists, it's new to you guys, I get it. But an offer is different than just you tattooing, okay? A service is you saying $100 an hour, $150 an hour, whatever you charge. That's a service, but an offer is a bundled package, or it's just something that's irresistible. So giving out gift cards, even if it's $50 gift cards, if you give out gift cards and you create some type of contest where it's like, all right, we're giving away a gift card every single day until Christmas, $50 gift card, all right? Here's the deal. Tag 5 people. Send us a DM as to why you want to win. And then repost this or some shit like that. Just 3 simple things. Make sure one of those is tag 5 people. And you're going to get a wildfire of attention. Right now, our goal is to hit 1 million impressions in a week. That's 1 million eyes seeing our stuff in a week. And it is possible. We've got it to the point where we've got 500,000, but we're trying to double that. And this is how you do it. Always think about the currencies. There's different currencies. It's not just money, all right? Money is one currency. Attention is just as important. Focus and time. All those are currencies. So think about those. Think about where you're spending yours. And think about which one of those is empty. That's all for today, guys. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the DM. I'd love to answer them. I hope I was really thorough with this. Does everything make sense? Comment below yes if it does. If you need me to explain something, I'd love to re-explain it for you so you get it. But basically, this video was about zigging while people zag and thriving in this November and December. You can do this every year when most of the time, most businesses go down and stop getting customers, all right? Don't focus on the money as far as your currency during November and December. Focus on building attention. Focus on building your following and things like that. Give out tattoos. That way, people aim for you rather than going for the same old gift cards. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, one thing you guys can really do to help motivate me to drop more of these before I go to the gym, before I go to the shop, before I start creating other videos, is share this with more tattoo artists, all right? Teamwork makes the dream work, and I can't do all this on my own, all right? I appreciate all your support. We'll see you later.